I'm about to go to another lookout spot, man. This place is full of hills with lookout spots. But this one, and for some reason, a lot of them are hidden, man. So I figured I'd show y'all the roads to some of these little hidden lookout spots in case some people from around the way want to venture up to Benzonia, Frankfurt area and look at all this beautifulness. I'll show you some of the secrets up here, man, that I've been collecting from the locals the years I've been coming up here. As you can see, it gets real hilly over there. Please drive 25. Look at that, man. You didn't even got your own street sign. Got your own street sign, huh? So now I'm on the other side of the Frankfurt town area. I was just over there, and this is on the other side. You have to go around to get to the other side. And then you got to take this long hike. You see where it says Lake Shore Recreation Area? This is where we're going, right up here. This random hill called Bye Street. Bye. See you later. And you just follow it all the way up. And you're gonna come through this little sketchy looking wooded area. And just keep on going, man, till you get to the top. And I'll show you. Oh, it's not that crazy busy up here either. It's hardly ever I come here and there's, well, if you come on the weekdays, this area is packed. But this is what I'm talking about, y'all. Right here. And that water's so clear down there. Look at that, y'all. And they got steps that you can walk down there and walk along that pier all the way out. Go down there. It's really, really, really steep, as you can see. Super steep. But yeah, some people just come out here, think, reflect, make out, whatever y'all do. Alright, man, I hope y'all like that little view. Let me make sure I'm recording. Alright, hope y'all like that little view, man. And as you can see, there's a beautiful town of Frankfurt, man. So now we'll head back. Trick Dog, huh? But yeah, man, a lot of nice hidden little gems out here. Nice lot of gems. And the whole scene, like the whole scenery, just going through the whole entire town, is just nice. People are very, very friendly here. Like, we're talking about the friendly, like when you wake up in the morning and you're walking around, people say good morning to you. You watering weeds? They say good morning. Or they'll actually walk by you and say how you doing, you know. Not like in the inner cities, man, where people just, they don't care, man. They do not care. Yesterday there was a lot more boats here. A lot more boats. The carnies, man. Is it right to call them carnies? I don't know if it's good to call them carnies, but the carnival folks have been packing up for the past week and getting ready to go to their next location. They have this whole park shut down. I'm gonna have to drop this baby down into a little power mode, man. I got a nice little park for the kids. I want to take you guys to this quick little lookout spot. So this is nice to come down here and walk down this city. They got a couple little eating shops over here, shops. You get some memorabilia for when you're up here. Yeah, if you don't want to come when it's super crowded, come during a weekday. A lot of people buy vacation properties out here just for when the summers come. They come up here quite a bit during the summer. Some people want trailers, some people buy houses. The Scoop, really good ice cream. There's their movie theater, nothing too crazy. It's not like a big AMAX, but hey man, a little time like this, that's all you need. You can rent boards. I mean, any water thing you want to rent, you can rent. You can shoot. You can even rent the water jetpack thing, man. A lot of people, when you come to Frankfurt, they always come to this end of this road for this right here. Let me see if I can get over there. A lot of people rent these out. Some people even buy these. I want to say the condominiums that they purchase, and some condominiums, some are rentals, but they purchase them. But take a look at that, y'all. Beautiful. Very nice spot, man. If you come to Michigan, you gotta come up this way, and Traverse City. I'll be getting to Traverse City soon. Show y'all that. But yeah, very beautiful. Some people just come up with their cars and just sit out here and watch. They go let the kids play. Go ahead. You can go ahead. All right. I came out here last year to fly kites, man. The wind be ridiculous out here. So you guys, like some of the neighborhoods that's around here, they have a lot of rental properties for sale down here. Not rental properties, but a lot of real estate for sale down here. But some of these homes are like crazy old. Oh, we don't want to go this way. That's the one way. I forgot they got a lot of one ways. Okay, Texas plates, man. People come from all over down here. But a lot of people buy these properties, man, just to come up and visit. I mean, you have some locals that stay here, but I swear the landscape is ridiculous. Look at that. Look at that, man. It's a weird spot for a house. So right now I got the H2 in low power mode, and it is great for cruising. I had it in full power mode trying to go through here, and like I said before, it gets choppy, man. You just like doing this the whole time, just because it wants to take you to wherever you trying to go to. But I feel like coming down here to Frankfurt, man, it's like a blast in the past looking at some of these homes. And how they have them up on these hills is like mind-blowing. For one, how do you cut that grass though? Like, I thought my house is on a little bit of a hill. That's beautiful. I almost died, y'all. That's beautiful. But that's beautiful homes. There's another one for sale. Okay.
Perfect.